Now let's try to come to the pointy end. Water, energy, food nexus is a very important concept before COVID, during COVID, and if there is a post-COVID, when COVID disappears, let's hope that happens. We need to have systems thinking. We need to think beyond individual disciplines. So that's very, very critical. From UNESCO's point of view, there is this open science initiative. We have the Intergovernmental Hydrological Program, the World Network of Biosphere Reserves, and the Man and Biosphere Program, and also very importantly, the Global Geoparks Program. So those programs can help bring many interesting scientific insights from around the world. And we have heard today, many of those areas can benefit such an approach. Then also there is a network of UNESCO science family. We have UNESCO centers and UNESCO chairs, and they are focusing on many different areas. Dr. Nolida has given us the introduction to water education. Also, Professor Sontak Lee has given us many interesting ideas related to integrated water resource management. There is a major UNESCO center Professor Lee helped establish with K-Water about sustainable water resources development, and there should be a good possibility of collaboration with them. We have also heard about the role of communities and stakeholders from Professor Susanna, as well as we have heard from our colleagues from Pakistan. Integrated approaches giving value to data, the body of knowledge which exists in Pakistan, and the Marshall Plans we heard from Dr. Solari. All of them can help move towards an approach which can bring water, energy, and food security approach together. We have heard also that people can get easily frustrated with jargon. This is not only for one part of the world or for one country. There are similar issues which Professor Kemken has clearly illustrated in case of Australia, and how to have clear path which can help us move towards a better understanding. So we need to have some actions at the regional level. We will be working to form a working group which can look into a number of countries and help understand how can we move with our UNESCO centers and UNESCO chairs. We will be also engaging with our global programs, the Intergovernmental Program on Hydrology, IHP, and MAB. We will be informing what has worked here. We will actively work with our office in Islamabad, and it has been also mentioned today, the areas like Balochistan are also equally important. We need to work together to form this alliance of the policymakers, and that's where Muhammad Nawaz Sharif University can play a very important role in the center of Punjab to link the upper catchment as well as the lower catchment. And that's where the farmer organizations, such as those represented by Ms. Rabia Sultan, and understanding of the resilience concept along with the sustainability concepts can be a very, very important way forward. So we look forward to working with all of you. Colleagues who are still online and they are still putting questions, we will make sure we answer your questions personally through our Facebook Live, and we will also contact you. We are approachable either through our office in Islamabad or through the Muhammad Nawaz Sharif University or from UNESCO office in Jakarta. With that, I thank the organizers, the Islamabad office, as well as Dr. Asif Ali's leadership and the wonderful work from all the presenters, and an excellent summary by Dr. Rana. And all the presenters and panelists, be ready. We need you to move forward to build those bridges to have a better future. And Pakistan certainly deserves a wonderful future.